Hey everybody, this is the last video about the airbrush kit I got for Christmas. Just so you can see, I have been sort of messing around with it slightly. This is straight out of the box. I haven't really messed around with the cables or anything. I did use green yesterday, so I had to sort of clean it out. And as you can see, I made the paint just a little bit too watery, but that's fine. So this is just to show you how easy it is. Yesterday was the first time I've ever used an airbrush. But this is the black paint actually from the kit. So here we go, just so you can see. Straight down. I can go all the way down. It's a really big spray if I really want to. So yeah. So it seems to be, easy enough to use. Bonus points if you know what that symbol is. Well, kind of. And yeah, that's pretty much it really. Here it is. In all its glory. I have to say, obviously I've never used one before, but really easy to set up. I've just got to work out what the consistencies are. I've ordered thinner and everything to come in. So once I've sort of worked out roughly what the thinning is, I'll do a quick video about that as well. Alright, hope you have a good day guys. Bye.